What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, you guys seen the title. We are on our search for first bass of the season. Hopefully we can find them today. We do have a lot of baits here, brand new baits I've never used before, and hopefully they can bring us some bass today. But before we start fishing, let's throw on our life jackets and let's get out there. Come on. All right, hold on. Before you guys say anything, excuse the dirty socks. They weren't dirty, I promise. For some reason, I don't know what I was thinking. I knew I was gonna take my shoes off to launch, and I decided to wear white. So that explains that. And with that out of the way, let me show you guys our new member. Ta-da! New rod, a Shimano. First Shimano rod I own. Green, forest green. What's this? A 6x6, 610 pounds, medium light action rod. So we're gonna try this baby out for something bass today, and eventually he'll see some trout as well. But my red rod broke in half the other day. I made the mistake and I just tossed it behind the truck, and I guess when I took a turn, it snapped in half. You guys are gonna be seeing this baby in all my videos from now on. All right, let's start fishing. Let me show you guys what we're working with today. The first one is going to be this. This is all new baits I've never used before, because this year I want to try new baits, new big baits to catch more big bass, or in general just big fish. Right here we have the crawdad that has a lot of action on the claw, so we're going to try this. I think we're going to start with this one, and then we have bigger Cinco. So this is a 6-inch Cinco along with the Yamamoto swim Cinco and some white flukes. So all those we're going to try. Those are all new baits for me, and we're going to start with this, the crawdad first. So we're going to start off with this crawdad style bait, weedless hook style. Should look something like this. Let's see, all the way here, and then flip this guy's up, make it weedless, just like that. So that's how it's gonna look in the bottom. Actually, I think I have it the wrong way. Let me fix that real quick. All right, this is the right way, right here. So this is how it's supposed to look, just like that. So whenever it hits the bottom, it's just going to be like this, going to be standing up, and the bass is just want to come and eat it. So let's try it out on the new rod, and let's see what action we get today. First cast on the new rod. Wow, feels really nice. Just wait till it hits the bottom and we'll start jigging it. There's turtles right there. You see the turtles? They're right there. Big turtles. Okay, we had to cross the lake because over there the wind was horrible. It was moving us. We couldn't literally fish at all. All right, let's try this side. Let's try the luck on this side. There's a bass. Oh, there is a bass there. I knew there was something there. Oh, I felt that. Oh, it's a 1 pounder. 1 pounder, y'all. That's a little 1 pounder. All right, let me give you some line. There's a fish. I knew I felt something. Check this out. Oh, he ate it. He ate that bad boy. All right, let me give him some line. I'm kind of stuck here. There we go. Come on. He ate that boy. Look at that. All right, we're on the board, y'all. First bass of the year. Not a big bass, but check that out. Check this baby out. Check that baby out. Oh my, I felt something. I was like, let me see if I feel the tug. And I did feel a tug. And there's our first bass of the season. Not the biggest, but it's a bass, and he ate it. He ate it. He ate it real good. All right, there we go. First bass, a little dinky, almost. Let's see how big it was. Let's see how big it is. It is almost a 12-incher. Almost a 12-incher. Let's go, baby. First bass of the season. You, my friend, go get bigger. All right, buddy. Here we go. Ooh, there he goes. All righty. All right, we're on the board, y'all. First bass of the season on the crawdad. So crawdad does just this today, and we're just getting started. All right, so that's pretty good. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this boy right now. Gave us a fish. Let's keep fishing. Let's see if we can get another one around here. That's a baby. Mama has to be here somewhere. Mama or daddy. It's like there has to be a bass here. It's getting cloudy, y'all. It is supposed to rain in the afternoon. Just almost that time where the rain was supposed to. All right. All right, let's keep moving. One more cast here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's leave that right there. That's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. I felt the head shake. Here we go. Oh. Yo, and oh, this is a nicer one. This is a nicer one on the crawdad. Oh, chill. This is a nicer one on the crawdad. Hits again. There we go. Oh, geez. This is a bigger one. Bigger one. Oh, man. Look at this nice, healthy bass here in the Pacific Northwest. Oh, we're going to stuck here. All right. Let me roll this in real quick before we get too bad. But, oh, geez. We are getting good fish today. Not the biggest, but there's fish on this beautiful lake. Oh, my God. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Beautiful. Let's see how big this one is. This is a 12-incher. The other one was close to a 12-incher. This is hitting almost 12, a little bit off 12 inches, but it is there. All right, come on. Another beautiful, beautiful bass. Not the biggest, but they are beautiful. Here we go, buddy. Yeah. Oh, even gave us a shell right there. Yeah. Oh. He said, let me jump out the water and show you guys what I'm about. There you go, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's continue this bass fishery before the rain starts. New rod, new bait. There you go. What else can we ask for? Come on. Let's try finding this bad boys. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, that's crazy. Look at that. Shoo! Let's go. We out of here. Alright, y'all, this windstorm is crazier than I thought. So before a tree falls on us, let's get out of here. Hope you guys enjoy this bass fishery. We found two, and this wind is kicking us out. just for today. We'll be back for more bass fishing, so don't forget to give a like, don't forget to subscribe, and y'all, let's get out of here. Till next time.